G'day viewers, welcome to Ando&Annie's vlog, Philippines Adventures vlog. In this video we're going to be looking at the Movenpick. The next 3 to 5 videos we'll be looking at the Movenpick because it's such a fantastic place at Boracay. Today we're going to be looking at the beautiful gardens of the Movenpick. We're going to be looking at the beach at Punta Bunga. We're going to be having a look at the pool area. We're going to look at the buffet breakfast at the Movenpick, which is second to none. Absolutely fantastic. We're going to be looking at the swimming area between the Crimson and Shangri-La, and we've got a special interview with the lifeguard, Mr. Willie. So let's get into it. You'll know the Movenpick very well by the time we finish. Cheers. Just arriving at the beautiful Movenpick at Boracay, completing the 5th leg of the pentathlon to get here. Been a Mabuhay. Initial impression of the place is that it's fantastic, beautiful gardens. Just walking down to breakfast at the Movenpick. Beautiful gardens. Morning. How are you, Willie? Good. I remember you from last time. Yeah. How are you going? Good, sir. Yeah, so as you can see, the gardens here are beautiful. Beautiful gardens leading all the way down to the beach and the breakfast buffet. One of the best buffets you'll have anywhere in the world. There's the market where the breakfast is. Let's just have a quick look at the beach before brekking. Better day today than yesterday. Blue sky. So Movenpick's between Crimson to the south side and then the Shangri-La to the north side. It's got the bar area and the cabanas and deck chairs. Fantastic setup. What time's happy hour?
It's 4 to 6, sir.
4 to 6?
Yes, it's buy one, take one cocktails.
Buy one, take one. Okay.
Yes.
So how much are cocktails?
It's around like 450.
450?
Yes.
Very good. Bar looks nice and stocked. We'll be back later.
Yeah, sure, sir. See you later.
Cheers. Morning. Great little area here. Got some little chairs and trees to shade you. Fantastic setup. A quick look at the pool area here. Hey. Spa baths. Plenty of deck chairs. There's the Italian restaurant over there. Look at that pool. Nice big pool. Good for laps or Just a dip. There's the breakfast area where I'm headed to right now. Here we are at the Great Buffet Breakfast at the Movenpick. Here's all the pastries and toast, croissants. Lots of cakes. Donut. Here's the donut shop. Donuts, panda sal. That's the Filipino little bread rolls they have for breakfast. Warm. Let's check out this buffet and see what they've got here. Okay, got a variety of juices. Calamansi juice, which is like lemon, like a lemon juice. Very nice. Here we have some sushi. Salad, yogurt, muesli, pepper, salt, we have a variety of food pre-made up. Scrambled eggs, eggs Benedict, sunny side up. Got it all. Then we have a variety of foods here. Oven baked pumpkin, corned beef, creamy Tuscan chicken, some veggies. Then we have the omelette and egg station. You get anything made up that you like. There's some pancakes, waffles, nuts, some cereal, some dried fruits, a bit of egg. Picky. It's a bimbinka. What a selection. It's a beautiful setting for breakfast. We've got the calachuchi tree here in Philippines, frangipani in Australia, liwaladi in Thai, and in Indonesian, harpoon, the frangipani tree outlook from breakfast. Beautiful.
And here they have the Soft Marina Beach Club. If you want to hang out and have a drinks, you can have it here. Also, Boku is available for 310 pesos. They also have Calisol every weekend. They have happy hour 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. daily. nice view to have a drink.
Mr. Willie,
Sir,
how are you?
good. How about you?
How long have you been working here for now?
Actually, it's almost 9 years.
9 years?
Yeah, since
You must have been
2016.
a baby boy when you started.
Yeah.
Must have been very young. Now tell me, Willie, from the rocks down here at Crimson,
Yes.
all the way up to
Shangri-La.
the Shangri-La rocks, how far is that from there to there and
You
back?
wanna go in swim? It's like 500 meters, sir.
500 metres.
Yeah.
Each way?
Going there.
There to there, 500.
500.
What's the record? What's the record time?
Like 7 to 8 minutes. Yeah.
How much?
7 to 8 minutes. Depends.
7 to 8 minutes each way. I did it in 15 and a half. Up, back to the wall and back to here. Is that good? Is that a new record?
Yeah.
Do I get a gold medal?
Yes, sir.
Because the Olympics start today. The Olympics start today. Who's the best swimmer of you guys?
Adele.
Adele.
Faster here.
Adele's very. What's your record?
Can see the color? Yeah. It's very dark, so it's always training.
Very fast. Well done, Adele. How come you're not at the Olympics starting today? Well done, Adele. G'day viewers. If you like this and found it informative, press the subscribe button below and you'll see more. Cheers.